Ravi Rai, the General Manager, Cluster General Manager for Novotel Visakhapatnam Varun Beach, Novotel Vijayawada Varun Beach, Varun, and the Beamley Resort by Accor. I am honored, humbled, and glad to say that I have achieved the best GM of the Year award from Hotelier India, and I feel very excited and elated that I have been chosen for this prestigious award. It's a national award where all the hotels across the country are participating, and I was the one chosen. And I would like to dedicate this award to the entire team of Novotel Visakhapatnam, Novotel Vijayawada Varun, and the Beamley Resort, because without their hard works and efforts, this would have not been possible. There were various parameters where all the hotels have to, Hotelier India sends the request for nominations. Hotels across India send their nominations, and then there are stalwarts of hospitality, 14 jury members who will be selecting the best nominations out of it. Out of those best nominations, they will select the nominated few for the interview final round, and there will be this jury sitting with us taking an interview, and the best of those will be selected. And I was fortunate enough, with the help of fortunate enough to get the award. And as I said, it is the entire team who have supported me in these difficult times of pandemic, stood by me to get the result what I have delivered and to get this award. This award is not only important for me or for Novotel Visakhapatnam Varun Beach. I feel it is a proud moment for Andhra Pradesh as a whole, because this award is the best award of India, and that means it shows that we are also able to compete nationally. We are also following the global standards of hospitality, and Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam is ready to invite and accept all the national and international tourism, and this would be a great support for Andhra tourism. So it's a proud moment that Andhra Pradesh is able to create a GM for India, best GM for India. One most important thing is sitting right now here in the best hotel of Andhra Pradesh. It's a beautiful place. Overall city is a fantastic city. One side you can see the sea, the other side is the hill. A beautiful cleanest. Andhra Pradesh, Vizag is rated as the third cleanest city of India, and also to say there are good tourism destination in and around Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam, of course, is the best destination, but you can go to Arakku Valley, you can go to Lama Singhi, you can travel to Beamley Patnam. It is known for temple tourism. You can go to Tirupati. You have Kanakadurga Temple, Annavaram, beautiful destinations to be in. It is also known for medical tourism. There is a good medical city here. So it's a beautiful place to be in, and I also urge the government to support tourism, because that is one of the it will also help the government to generate revenues for them, plus a lot of employment. Hospitality not only gives employment to the staff who are working there. It is a most human intensive organization. It not only gives employment to the hotel, but also it gives employment in and around, because there are a lot of suppliers who are associated with the hotels. So government has to relook into it and support hospitality and support tourism. Thank you so much. It was lovely speaking to you.